afternoon and welcome once again to Thompson & Smith. And today we're delighted to offer this fully electric and zero road tax Mokka-E GS line edition, finished in a lovely ruby red metallic. This Mokka has a great range of 200 miles on a single charge, plus a range of around 130 miles in just over half an hour on a rapid charger. It also comes with the balance of the 8-year or 100,000 mile Vauxhall manufacturer's battery warranty for that added peace of mind. And the car stands out straight away with a very modern visor grille, incorporates the Griffin badge and the headlights in the one panel. I've got the car ticking over already, although you won't hear it. See the daytime running lights. Just take you for a close up of the 18-inch light colour alloys. And now just walk down the driver's side of the vehicle. We'll come to the offside rear view. And I'll just take you into the boot area of the car. It's got a rear camera. You see there the charging equipment. A good size family boot, 60/40 split rear seats. Okay, so we'll just come out of there and just take to the near side rear view. Again, we'll just take you into the rear seating area, which is in excellent condition, as you'd expect. We'll just walk down the near side of the vehicle. The car's done 6,000 miles only. Come full circle. And I'll just take you to the car itself and just show you some of the goodies it has. You'll see it's keyless entry and start. Electric windows front and rear. We've got electric heated door mirrors which are folding. Okay, just show the sporty interior. Let's just jump in the car. Work our way across. You see the new digital modern dash there. We go across to the middle 10-inch screen. You'll see you've got my phone already plugged in there, just so you can load your own apps. Google Maps on there. So just come out of there and just show you all the bits and bobs, your own apps. Okay, plug out of there, goes back to the car's main menu. It is full DAB radio and Bluetooth as you'd expect. As we come down, we've got heated seats, really nice feature. Climate control, a little bit further down, we've got USB there, charging socket. We've also got lane departure warning, advanced lane assist, which you can use with the adaptive cruise control. 3 driving modes there, normal, eco and sport. Come across to the wheel itself, as I mentioned, to go with the heated seats, you've got a heated steering wheel, lovely feature. And the main trip computer there. We can go into the dials, speed time recognition, and all the charging information right in front of you on the dash. Okay, we'll just come out of the vehicle. There's one more thing I will just show you, sorry, I should have showed you before. Rear camera with the guidance lines. Has got front and rear park sensors as well. So just pop that into neutral and just come out of the car for one last look. It's a great looking car. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, you can ring myself Tom, running the sales team on 01507 602222 or visit our website www.